Welcome back, guys. Hope everyone is safe and sound. So the topic for today is management and its function. To understand this concept better, first we need to understand what do you mean by management. Management is what? It is a set of function directed at the efficient and effective utilization of resources for the pursuit of organizational goals. So, whenever people work together to achieve a goal, there will be someone who will make and decisions about what, how we'll do it, when we'll do it, what resources would be required, how they'll be using the resources. So this is the very basic question one could ask. So in this video, we'll be exploring the functions of management. So to start with, first we need to understand what do we mean by management. Management is what? It is a set of function directed at the efficient and effective utilization of resources. If you have noticed in the definition of management or in the entire discussion about management, these two terms, efficient and effective utilization, are used mainly. So, what do we mean by efficient and effectiveness? Efficient means you are utilizing the resources wisely and in a cost effective manner. Whereas by effectiveness, we mean that you are making the right decision and successfully implementing them. So, efficiency and effectiveness are interrelated. That means they are correlated. So, management is basically concerned with not only getting the activities completed, that means effectiveness, but also with doing them with efficiently as possible in a cost effective manner. So this video's focus is on functions of management. The 5 functions of management we'll be discussing in detail. So let's start. So guys, regardless of the type of organization, all managers have certain basic functions. These basic functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. The scope and nature of these functions, it differs from manager to manager as well as from firm to firm. So if you look on your screen, you see a picture showing your 5 functions of management. So we'll be discussing in detail these 5 functions. Let's start with the very first function, which is planning. Now, what do you mean by planning? Planning is always the first function. So before you can accomplish anything of a long-term nature, you must determine in advance what is to be done. Like for example, if an entrepreneur wants to set up an establishment to manufacture computer software. So what he would need to understand first is he would first have to decide what the goals and objectives were to be. What products will he be producing? How will they be produced? Where will the funds be obtained from? Who will be the customers or the consumers? What resources will he be needing? What should these resources be? When should these resources should be obtained? So these and many other questions have to be answered before the management moves to the next step. So the focus on planning, the focus of planning is what should be done, when should be done, and how should be done. So whenever you are starting a new project or whenever a plan is made, the focus is on these 3 things: what, when, and how. Now, once your plans are in place, it is time for you to proceed to the other phase of the project. So the next step would be to establish an organizational structure. How you will be establishing this organization? Say for example, if you need 60 people that needs to be hired. So how many work groups should be there? Should these be organized around these functions? How many supervisors should be there? What authority should they have? Should any special support unit like purchasing be established? How can people be informed of the scope of their jobs? So once these decisions are made, the organization assumes a particular structural form. So the focus of organizing is on recruitment, sales, marketing, production, and operation. So once your plans are set up, the second phase is organizing, which is basically focused on recruitment, sales, marketing, production, and your operations. So, following the establishment of the plans and the development of the organization structure, the manager then seeks people to staff the organization. So, here comes your third function of management, which is staffing. Staffing is what? It is the selection of employees who have the training and skill to meet the demands of each position. So, it also includes your development, promotion, and performance evaluation of subordinates and other important people that are considered in the organization. So the basic focus of staffing is on hiring and promotion, training and development, remuneration or compensation, and performance. Now, after the plans are made and your organization is established, people are hired, it is time for you to move ahead with the project. Now, for any new venture to be successful, what is required? You require leadership skills. So, leadership skills, where do you get your leadership skills from? You have a good leader or your manager. So, what is expected from a manager is that he should make decisions and he should provide leadership to keep the organization moving towards the organizational goals. So this may involve many activities and skill, since it includes your guiding, motivating, supervising of subordinates. So this execution phase wherein you are turning your plans into action is called as directing. So the focus of directing is on supervise, motivate, leadership and guide. These 4 points are the focus on which your function of directing is based on. So as the project progresses, it is the manager's responsibility to monitor them. Monitor on what basis? He needs to check, like, will the goals of the organization be reached or not? Are the operations that are being performed in relation to the standard established by the organization? Your product is of good quality or your product is of the desired quality or not? You're producing that product of the desired quantity. So all these follow-up actions or your performance check, these are done under your function of controlling. So the manager needs to track the performance of the organization. So basically, your planning, organizing, staffing, and directing are all controlled under this function. So controlling provides a supervision or a follow-up on your action or a performance track of all the above mentioned functions. So these are the 5 functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These functions are same for every organization, irrespective of the size, irrespective of their product. As we say, every life is a story. So guys, thank you so much for being a part of my story. Please like, share and subscribe if you're liking the contents of my videos. Also would request everyone to drop in their comments and suggestions in the comment box of the topics they want me to make a video on. Thank you so much guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.